morning. It's been a little while since we've done one of these, but today, oh, squeak, squeak, squeak.
Hello.
Been squeaking around the kitchen. It's been a while since we've done one of these. It's our first proper ride of 2023. We're out with Geordie GS'ers today, off up to the Pennines and Hartside Pass. We're going down to the Lake District with Kirkstone Pass, and the big lake is completely gone out my head now. The big lake in the Lake District begins with a W, and then off to Devil's Bridge and back again. Should be a good day. It's a bit cloudy out there at the minute, so as you can see, but weather says it's going to warm up later, so it should be nice and sunny, and we will do our best to take you with us. Squeaky squeak.
See you later.
And time to get on the bikes. See ya. Yeah, obligatory fuel stop. That is really close. Oh. You're going back round. Remember your cone riders training. Right. That's fine. Resisting the urge of a Greggs for breakfast. Only I was going to say only because we're going to the Nook, and it will be way better. I don't think I've ever known a cash point this slow.
Weekend.
Right. What? Little box goodies. Back in the box. Or do you need both? It's 56 miles. So much. Gorgeous day. Are you spilling it? There's not going to be any tea left in a minute, is there?
It's really full and the cup's not like squared outwards. So as soon as you move, it kind of... I've spilled my coffee now as well.
How badly did you spill?
Very badly.
I didn't want that bit of tea anyway.
That's alright, you got it.
Ooh, nice bit of flapjack.
Yep, figured I'd get that far as to pre-breakfast.
Like starters.
I can't believe what I've just done.
Yes.
I poured it out of there and then spilled it putting it down.
Not a bad place for brekkie, is it?
Got a few tricks up my sleeve. Oh, you're the size that know what you want. We both know my heart can't be bought. Maybe we're in it for the hunt. Oh, I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through. You're impatient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off, but I know this is such a rush. The way you move is so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off, this is such a rush. Like this game is so bittersweet. I feel alive, it's so hard to breathe. Will it be over if you got what you need? See now, ooh la 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 la. See now, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Oh, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through. You're impatient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. But I'm afraid I will waste your time. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your
Did someone
Right.
forget to press record?
Okay, I'll remember to press record this time. So, we've lost the GS'ers. There are now like 10 other GS'ers somewhere in the car park and we have no idea which one. So, we know where they're heading. They're going for Devil's Bridge and we've stopped at a pub next to the route that they're going to take. So, I'm assuming they'll bimble past in however long and we'll see them at Devil's Bridge. So right now...
Or not.
Or not. And we'll just go on our own little ride. So right now, we're going to have a drink and sit in the sunshine.
I'm like a lake,
Later.
so hard to leave. Got a few tricks up my sleeve. Oh, you're the size that know what you want. We both know my heart can't be bought. Maybe we're in it for the hunt. Oh, I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through. You're impatient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off, but I know this is such a rush. The way you move is so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off, this is such a rush.
Okay.
Hello. Fancy seeing you here.
You need, see now, ooh la 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 la. See now, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Oh, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I see that you see me,
Well, we're back from our knackering day. Should we start? Well, back from our day out with Geordie GS'ers to the Lake District.
Been really good.
I'm knackered. But it
Long
was
day, but nice.
a really
nice.
good day. And
Got lost.
Yep, we got lost. We lost the group halfway through.
Then we found them.
Then we found them at Devil's Bridge. And then we left them again on the way home, just because we live in a different direction to them. It was good. It's 20 degrees, which was... I was hoping it was going to be vaguely warm, but actually it was really hot at times, so it's good. Our gear worked well. My new jacket's fine. Your new helmet was all right?
It's good.
All
It's
good?
really good. Done some adjustments on the helmet to make it fit properly, but it's it might not be the world's best idea, but on the basis that I seem to have a weird shaped head, it's the best I can do. So
You're just weird. Now time for some chips.
yeah. Was
and
gonna cook,
sleep.
but got back and found out we don't have an egg, so I can't cook.
No eggs, no cooking.
Yeah.
Chips it is.
See you
Right,
later.
until next time. See you later.
I'm like a fake, it's so hard to leave. Got a few tricks up my sleeve.